how to automatically restart your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any of the latest Samsung S25 series. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to device care. Here you can see the device care. Tap on it. Now scroll down. Here you can find the auto optimization feature in the performance section. Tap on it, the auto optimization. Now here you can see the auto restart option. Tap on it. Here you can see restarting your phone from time to time can help keep it running in the best condition. Here you can see two options, restart when needed or restart on schedule. So select the option you want to set automatically restart your S25 Ultra device. Restart when needed. Your phone will restart automatically when performance issues are detected. So here you can toggle on this option or restart on schedule, toggle on it. Here you need to set the day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You want to set the time to automatically restart your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. So here is the setting available to automatically restart your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. If you don't want to use, just Google of it. That's it. If you like it, share it.